Good afternoon, everyone. Am I clearly audible to all of you? Okay, fine. Let me share my screen. Today we are going to start PowerPoint presentation. So one class will be sufficient to discuss about the PowerPoint presentation. And meanwhile, at the end of the session, I'll take the questions. Okay. Let me share my screen. I hope my screen is clearly visible to all of you. Group for numericals. Prachi, I don't know about that. For that, you should discuss with the career coach team, because this creation of group LMS and these all doesn't come in my purview. So you can share the message with the career coach team or technical team. Okay. Okay, fine. I can see one question over there. There is a blank slide. Don't get confused. I have not written anything on the slide right now. First question which came here in the chat box is related to cap price, floor price, buy side and sell side. Okay, Manish, I'll explain that and then we'll begin. Meanwhile, others will join. So before others join, I will discuss this question which one of you have asked. I hope I am clearly audible to all of you. One second. Okay. So first question is about the price, floor price, and then buy side and sell side. This is the question which one of you have asked. Two more questions. Okay, Apurva, no problem. You have just joined. We have just started with one of the question which has come in the chat box, that is about what is cap price, what is floor price, buy side and sell side. Anybody who is aware about what is cap and floor price? This is the point of initial public offer. Anybody who has gone through the link which I have shared, I keep on sharing certain YouTube video links, IPO. So there I had explained about the cap price and floor price in that particular video, which I prepared about the IPO, but still I'll explain about the same. So once we discuss about initial public offer, we have two different categories. One is fixed price issue and another is book building issue. What is fixed price issue? Where the price has already been decided. Let's say ABC Limited has come up with an issue, that is public issue I'm talking about. That means initial public offer. So that has fixed price of 100 rupees. Means they have already decided the price of that share which is going to be listed on a stock exchange, which they are offering in IPO. So that is 100 rupees. This is what I'm explaining about the fixed price. So you need not give application of 101, 95, 99. It is already decided this fixed price. Another is book building issue, or which you call as a category. Any of the IPO could be either fixed price or book building issue. Most of us are aware about the book building issue because you all have gone through the prospectus of initial public offer. You know about the price range which is being given. So that price range is the category of book building issue. For example, they give you cap price, floor price. So this is cap. There is a 20% gap between. Means the upside is, if it is 100, it will be nearly 120. So this is a range. It is not exactly 100 or 120, but the range should be between 20%. Floor price and cap price range is 20%. That is clear to all of you. So now let's say the floor price will be less and cap price will be higher. Applications are invited from the investors for these two prices. Let's say it is 70, it is 85 or something, or you can take it as 75. Okay, so 75 and 85, this is the price. I, as an investor, can choose either 75 or 85. But what is going to happen in case I choose 75? In case the cutoff price is decided as 80, I will not be getting. So investors who are putting cutoff price, that means they are agreed to pay whatever is decided based on the demand from the investors. So that is why your brokers and all others who are intermediary, they recommend to mention as a cutoff price rather than mentioning cap or floor price. So investors mostly check on cutoff price, means they are agreed to buy at the decided price which is most favorable. So here, this is cap, this is floor. Floor is the lowest price and cap is the maximum. This is the price range which is being given by the issuer in that book building issue. Okay, Manish, clear your point? You understood? One second. I'll share few links. Just give me a minute. I will share my screen. Shall I remove this, what I have written on the screen? Discarding this. Just give me a moment. I'm looking for that link which I can share with most of you. Did you get the link? Okay, I'll take next question also before sharing the screen. Okay, everyone. Link is available in your webinar chat. This chat box is there. You can see the chat box, there the link is available. Or you can simply go to datatrain.com website. There you will get videos uploaded. There you can check. Fine, let me share the screen of PPT. Okay, all of you can see the screen. Now, next question was related to buy side and sell side. So buy side and sell side is basically the investment banking part, like whether they come into buy side of investment banking domain or sell side of investment banking. You need not keep anything in mind or there is no technicality in these terms. Just understand by this buy and sell. What is buy? Whosoever is buying the advisory services, buying securities, these all entities who are having huge corpus to buy and they need advisory will come in this category. I will quote example first so that you should understand. Who are entities? Like hedge funds, pension funds, life insurance, and other these entities who are having huge corpus to invest. Sell side entities who are selling, that means initial public offer, company who wants to raise investment, whether through equity or debt. Sell side entity like underwriting. This is one example. By example, you can understand, I put it like hedge fund, pension funds, life insurance corporation, unit trust. These all are having huge purpose to invest. They are looking for advisory services from investment banker, seeking for advice. So they come in the buy side entity. So investment banker who are providing services to these entities are buy side investment banker, or for sell side who are helping the corporates to raise money will come sell side, because what they are doing, they are basically selling the securities, whether equity or debt. So they are sell side investment bankers. Okay. Urvashi, I'll take your question at the end, or if possible, what I'll do, I will maybe I can explain through ticket as well. Okay. Now we need to finish, we need to go as per timeline and we should start the PowerPoint. But yes, I'll take your question. What we are going to cover in this PowerPoint, these are the subtopics. What exactly PowerPoint is, the basic idea. You all might be using PowerPoint in one or the other way. Most of you have already used it. There are few things by which you can make your slide enriched or attractive, right? So using the templates, using themes and template, ribbon, shortcuts, practice with example. There is our draft sample or animation sample side is there by which you can create your new sample. Design layout, how you are going to use transition. There is one site, most of you will be aware about that. How many of you have used Canva? Just raise the virtual hand. Okay. So many sites, not only the Canva, you might be using different links by which you can create. Ready-made slides, templates are available, so you need not work hard. But still, basic presentation you should be able to create on your own. Sometimes you are looking for slides which are already prepared, but that won't work for you. These are not customized. Either you do customization in these already used templates, or you can create your own. Choice is yours. I'll tell you both the ways. Whichever is convenient to you, whichever you like, you can utilize that. Fine. So these are the few subtopics which we are going to cover today, and we are going to create a sample PPT, at least 2 to 3 pages at the end of the session. That means that could be one assignment for you, not for the scoring and everything, but yes, just to practice. Few who are very beginners can do it very seriously. Okay. So first thing first, let's open a new PowerPoint so that we should understand the ribbon part, how you are going to use the existing design in that particular new PowerPoint presentation. You open the existing designs. You can choose out of the existing designs available. Here I'm just explaining. The moment I'll start and open, it will be more clear to you. These are the few points which I'm covering. So I'm opening a new PPT so that it should be clear to beginners. Okay, this one is new PowerPoint. How everyone can see this? This is visible to everyone? Just raise the virtual hand. Okay. So here you can see the ribbon on the top, as we have done in case of Excel. The upside, first one is the ribbon. Most of you are aware about the basic commands available in the ribbon. So we'll open File. New. Here you can see the templates as well. These all are the already prepared template. You can use any of them. Your entire presentation will be the same. Let's say mostly I use blank presentation so that we can create our own. So one choice is either the blank presentation or choose any of the design. for the sake of doing like choosing this. Okay. Now what? If you add new slides, the next will be same. This is the layout. Again, I'm changing. This is very dark, which you can change. Insert new. File new. Rather than this, you can choose any other. Let's take it. Okay, now your all slides will be same. Home, you have the same ribbon which are available. These all are items which you can do artwork, design, aligning, convert to a smart art. Everything will be available. We'll go one by one. So from home, you all know about the cut, copy, paste. Layout will give you an idea about how you are going to utilize your slide. It is a title slide, or you want title and content, or it is used for section header. What happens? You are creating a title slide first, this one. This will enable you to write the title. Let's say you are creating a new topic. Subtitle, you can write your name. Now, we'll discuss about how to customize this. This needs to be here. Second, I can change my design. Since I have copied this, it is showing all the slides as a title slide. But I don't want it to be same as title. Here you can change title and content. That will be rest of the slides. You can simply copy or paste. Okay, this way it will enable you to write down in all slide. This will be automatically designed. The border is enabled, the text is enabled. So you need to follow the format which is already given in that. Here you can change. So there is one option called, one second. Slide master view. Slide master view is helping you out to change the slide, change the text for every slide. You need not go to each and every slide to change the text, font size, and design. If you are making changes in slide master, it will be impacting the entire slide. So it will save your time. You manually need not go to each slide and change the text and all. It will be done in one slide. The format will be followed in your entire presentation. So this one is about how to pick a slide. Already templates are available. You have picked one of them. Then here through layout, you can make changes. Either this, you want to write title here, some text, and you are dividing your slide into two portions which are not equal. That already made layouts are available over here. If you want 3 columns, let's say you want to tell something, there are 3 steps involved into that. So first you have written title, or let's say you are giving a bifurcation of the financial statement, or you want to write something about the balance sheet, about the income statement, cash flow statement. So you can write over it. I have given you one example. For example, if you, in case of mutual fund, let's say you want to this title, how this title slide can be used. Fine. So here you are writing the what exactly large caps are, what mid cap, what is small cap. So the usage could be anything which can be divided into 3 categories. Okay, let me read the questions. One second, one second. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Means my screen is stuck. I'll share it again. Wait, wait, wait. Stop share. Thanks for letting me know because I was explaining and you all were not. Is it available? All of you can see this? This is visible now? Okay, fine. Thank you everyone, whosoever has mentioned in the chat box. Current screen is visible. Now, whatever I'm typing, it is visible to all of you. Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, everyone. Suzanne. Fine. So I'll explain one more time because I think the screen which I have shared was a little different. That is why you were not able to see. This one is mutual fund. What I have done, I have picked a new slide. Through this new slide, we went there. You can pick any one of them. Thereafter, I have shown you what is the layout I have selected. In layout, you have different layout option available. One is the title slide. So first, that is understood. First, title slide will remain same for each and every presentation. You will write the name of the topic. Thereafter, in layout, you can see title and content, which is mostly used in other slides. Then second header. Sometimes you divide your presentation in different segments. For example, you have explained some topic, then next subtopics is with the second header, where you are writing the title of second header. Then two contents are there. Let's say you are dividing your content, you are like buy side and sell side, just someone is asked. So in investment banking, buy side investment banking, sell side investment banking, where it is already divided. These already ready-made layouts will help you out to save your time. Otherwise, you need to enable grid lines, then make two boxes, and that will take more time. These are ready-made, which you can utilize and which will take very less time. 3 column we have already used. You know, based on your requirement, you know where to use which kind of layout. Okay, so this one will help you out to select any of the layout as per your requirement. Now, coming to this part about the design here, these are already ready-made design which we can select. What I have done, either you can select the plane here. My slide is visible to everyone. Now, whatever changes I'm doing, is it visible? In case of design, either you go to the template, like first in the file menu, which we have seen, or from the design also you can go to that. Design, these are already, or simply you can select the plain slide and with border, right? So you all have seen what we can do. There are numerous slides with different colors, background, theme, effects. You all can use that. Okay. So here I'm not going into the details since the part is clear to all of you. Let me read the questions. Okay. Can't able to do in all side. What, Prachi? In all side it will be done. Like this. If you select this, let's say my slide was what? Initially what I have selected. I have selected the bubble one, the droplet. Now if I click on that, my entire presentation is changed. Now if I have selected this, it will be for all the slides. Whatever I'm clicking, Prachi, it will be done on all the slides, all PPT. Okay. Shall I do it once again? Look here. You can see the changes. If I have selected this, my entire PPT has changed. So first, and again, I'm going to this layout so that I can change the title slide. So my title slide will be done, mutual funds, then mutual fund, large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Then you can design here. How it is going to use layout we have done. Layout part, I think there is no doubt for everyone. Everyone can do that. Now, in case you want some slide to be entered over here and which you want like a second section, like you want picture with captions or comparison of 2 schemes, 3 schemes, this can also be done. Like if you want your initial slide, your title slide to be look like this, you can do so. So 2-3 versions I'll show you like how it can be done. One is the title slide, that is clean. Second, you can write here, you can paste certain pictures, you can crop, download any pictures, or you can crop any pictures and paste it over here, which shows like mutual fund. Here you can write mutual funds. Here you can crop and paste any picture over here rather than text. Anything can be done. Then from layout only, you can choose blank slide also to write down the topics, agenda of the agenda about what you exactly were going to discuss. Okay, now coming to the second part, insert. I'll pick this. Insert new slide. I'm simply clicking right click, click, and then adding the slide over here. You can do from here, new slides can be added. Again, now table, two options are there to select the table, to create the table, or even three options. If you have already created in Excel, you can copy and paste over here first. Second thing is this one table. It will ask you to how many columns, how many rows you want to insert. Let's say I want to create 5 columns and 4 rows, right? So 5 and 4, the table is already created. So this is, since I have taken a topic about mutual fund, you can write down different schemes or scheme names here, the returns they have given 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5-year return, and you can mention the percentage over it. So 5-year track record of different mutual fund schemes. See, the way I'm explaining is it's easy for all of you to understand. I have taken one topic, how you are going to. So at the end of the session, if you want to create any of the PPT for 4 to 5 pages, let's say mutual fund, you can create on your own by this for the beginners. Rest all, some of you have already used it. You can create better also. Okay, so table, we can make certain modifications. We can make so many changes in the table. It is not only choosing this. This is very basic. So insert table we have done. From here also you can insert. You can draw also Excel spreadsheet from already Excel spreadsheet you have created in table that can also be downloaded. Now pictures can also be, if you click on this table and you want to make certain changes, that also you can do by writer. Okay, now here on the same ribbon, you can see design. Since we have discussed about the table part, you can see the design here. Already designs are available for the table. If you want to change, you can pick any to change your. Look here. So these are customized design, which you can create based on your requirement. I'm not making any changes or amendments. This is animation part. I have just randomly clicked that. That also will be discussed. Okay. Now, in case of insert only table, yes, one of you have raised hand. Another way of creating a table is here. You can see 6 icons are already available on this PowerPoint slide. Here it is table, insert table, mention number of rows and columns. Click OK, it is created. Since we have selected this, you want to change, you can do so. Okay. So 3 ways, already existing table which you have created in Excel, you want to copy it here, you can do so. Second, through that page only, the link is available. Third, through the insert key. Yes, one of you has raised hand. Please let me know. Type the question in the chat box. I'll be able to. Okay. Fine. So table and table design is done. One question is there in chat box. No problem, Ravi. Just take any of the version. I'll share one book also, although it is not required. But some of you insist about the book. I have not gone through that book, but link is available with me through PDF or even through Google also. You can download so many books. Okay. You can install a new version, Ravi. Okay. Then it will be available in your laptop also. Fine. So we have completed this part about the table and design creation. You can do so many modifications based on the existing commands available. Home is done. Insert table. Pictures also you can copy online pictures, screenshots, photo, anything which you want to copy and paste over here. You can do so by these icons, by insert icons. Now coming to the shapes part here. I'll take another slide. It has two ways. By here, either insert or whether you go to home, here also it is available. So the drop down, it is same. Whether you copy from here, create from here, or from any. Insert shapes. So many shapes and all available which are utilized in different ways. For example, you are writing some text, then overlapping. That I will show you that how to make the adjustment related to front, bring to forward, bring to back. These all things can be done over this here only. Arranging these shapes which you are doing. Okay. So insert we have done till here. Chart shapes and all we'll discuss together. Okay. Let's say we need to create a table. Now in this only, we will create a chart. Fine. Once you want to create a chart in Excel, it will simply ask you, same three ways are there. One second. So three ways are there. Either you are copying from the Excel or insert. Here I'm inserting from this. Okay. It will ask you, it will provide you an Excel and you need to fill the data like here. Category 1, 2, 3. Here you can change the categories. And this should be returned. Like let's say mutual funds, equities, gold, FD. Okay, I'm not changing these bars, but here 1 year, 2 year. It's just a random numbers which is already typed over here. What I'm doing, I'm simply showing you how you can create, and here so many changes. It's very basic. I have not made certain amendments and all, but the way we have done in Excel, you can do here also. Same ways, like data table can also be entered, trend line can also be shown. If you want to show trend line over here, that can also be done. That simply means either you copy from Excel or you want to create from here. Both ways it can be done. Okay. Then coming to pie charts and all that can also be entered. New slide. Insert chart. Same option. What we have done. If you click OK, it will ask you about what exactly first quarter, second quarter you need to enter. I'm not making any changes, simply accepting it. So it will remain for second quarter. Here you can enable that. Data table. Legends can also be done. Then making changes what we have done in Excel. Same way you can follow here as well. Okay. Fine. So the insert, we have done this. Smart art and all, we can do what I will show you. If you are writing certain points and you don't have much time to devote for the Excel, although Canva and already ready-made templates are there where you can insert the data, you can make it customized, but that will also require certain time. Here is what I'll show you this smart art option, how you can utilize it. Either first you are doing, most of you understand that you can click on that, it will be created, and now you need to write how you are going to utilize that. But there is another simpler version by which you can insert. Let's say you write certain lines. I'll simply copy it so that my time will be saved. Just let me know my screen is still visible to all of you. Okay. Now what? I have selected all these. Since these all are points, now insert, smart art. Let's say I want to select. Wait. We will see. Just give me 2 minutes. Yes. So once you are selecting that, all the points which I have written, I have selected this. Font size was very less since I have selected this. Now, if you want to write like this, if you want to select any smart art, you can select from there. What you need to do, you need to go to home. Here you have one option, convert to smart art in the home tab only. In your ribbon, you will have, you need to select the points, bullet points which you have written. Click on convert to smart art and then it will be automatically converted. Okay. Okay, Arjun, no problem. Okay, fine. Everyone, any doubt, any question, whatever we have discussed till now? In home, it's not available. Tanisha, it is available. Just check, click on home. In home menu, you can see convert to smart art. Just follow my cursor. My cursor is on home. Then I'm moving my cursor to this side. Here you can see text direction, align text. Below align text, you will get convert to smart art here. Once you click on convert to smart art, you will have these options available, right? More smart art. You can have hierarchy, you can have relations, matrix, pyramid, any of them you want to choose, you can. Okay, this one, if you have selected, now what? Control A, if you want to increase the font size, go here. It is 6 only, you can increase to 10. Look here. Same, the font size is it. These all amendments you can do later as well, but here I'm showing you the quick way to convert it. If you want to create 5-page, 6-page PPT, one option, Canva, already used, templates are available. Here also already used templates are available. Simply you need to mention your exact points, what you want to express. 4 to 5-page PPT or 10-page PPT can be easily created. But yes, contents you should know what you need to put and where you need to put. Rest all things, it can be done quickly. Okay. Tanisha, did you get that? Did you find that option? Find, okay. So here, other options are also available. You need to first see what exactly you are looking for. If you are looking for the hierarchy, if you are looking for um, other options, for example, any window which is showing two different directions like Johari window or risk and return kind of themes, or this circle where you want to show the themes or cycle, anything can be expressed. Like in basics of finance, what I have done, I have selected from here only. So this way we have taken, or if any life cycle, like trade life cycle in finance can be done, or this. So any of the ways, here you can see font size are very small. You can make amendment according to your requirement. You can simply go to home, make changes. These all will be customized as per your requirement, the way you want to present and look your data. Otherwise, templates can also be used. Not working, you might not have selected the text patchy. So write any of the statement, whosoever is doing along with the session, I'm appreciating that. So I'll suggest what you need to do, simply write any line, like just a minute. I'm writing PowerPoint ribbon. Anything you can write, Control C, Control V, just to practice it quickly. What I have done, one line only. You need to select this, select all, then go to convert to smart art, and same anything. This one, if you want, you can do so. What I'm doing, I'm increasing it. I want to increase it. Let's say if it works or not. Look, in the same only, if I want to customize based on my requirement, I have done that. I have stretched it like this. Okay. And anybody who is doing and who is not able to do, if you want to ask, don't keep your doubt with you. Ask immediately. I'm reading the chat box also and I'll help you out. Okay. So this way you can make changes. Then what next in home? These all you know what you need to do. Like here, changing the font size, bold, italic, underline. These all are not, no need to explain these all, right? This about the aligning. Most of you, what you all, or I'm not telling students only, I have seen in so many blogs also where the PPT presentations are given, they forget alignment of the test, which I feel is most important. It should not look shabby here and there. So here I'm copying one text from my other PPT and showing you the difference. Just give me a point, like my PPT is visible to all of you or not. This PPT is visible. So here, how it look like, and which one is looking better, just tell me. This, or this. So this one is justified, means you all know how the justified text look like. This one is left aligned, this one is centered. So always once the text is there, I prefer choosing the justified option, this one, which is aligned from the left and right. Okay. Yes. Yes, Lavanya. So that's what we can, small points we can keep in mind while preparing these presentations. And even if it is a rich text, then also, then it will be more clear. Like if you are writing something and it is not aligned, that will not give the clear picture. Okay, now moving to another part. Insert, we have done most of the things. Videos and all can also be added over here, like links, hyperlinks can also be added. Design we have covered. Now, transition part, what exactly transitions and animations does, I'll show you. First, I'm going to animation part. You have different options. First, what you have done, you have selected this. You have different options, how your text will appear. You might have attended so many presentations and seen how the texts are coming. The entire screen is not visible at once. What they are doing, how they are doing. First, the mutual fund appears, then large cap. Once they have explained large cap, mid cap appears, and then a small cap, and then text. This way, the texts are appearing rather than entire slide at one go. Okay. So how it goes, it is with the help of animation and transition only. How these two work, let's say I have clicked here, mutual fund, and here I have clicked on animation. In the ribbon part, you click on animation ribbon. Here you will have appear, fade, fly in, float. These are the different variations available. How you want your text to enter. Appear, you can see number one marks. So first mutual fund will appear. And then here, let's say this is, I have taken fade. Third one, I want this PowerPoint stanza will come. That will be fly in. Fly in, it is coming like an airplane. Now mid cap, I want to float in. It is coming and appearing. I'm using just to show you that what are the different vibe. Then, right? So you can use different, but try to make only one uniform animation throughout the slide. It's not an artwork, so just make it professional. Now we'll see, review. I have used different to show you, but usually I use only fade or only one as per your requirement. You can choose any. I'm not saying that what I'm using is the best. Whatever you like, you want your presentation to be, you can use so many. Okay, emphasis and all, exit, anything that you want, you can make as per your requirement. Now, second part is this transition here. Between one or two slide, let's say I want my slide, first slide finishes and second slide appears. So how my second slide will appear? That is through transition. This one, let's make an animation over here. Mutual fund has come. Now, how this second slide will come? So the transition, I want push. So that means it will go upwards, like, okay. It will be vertically. Why it will be horizontally. Split, it will be divided, split into two parts, then next up. Reveal will be like this. Cut. So you can choose any, just like a curtain. This is the random bars, then shape, uncover, cover, flash. So if I put animations in, just like push in each and every slide, after one or the other slide, the animation, and one will, you can see the stars. Wherever you can see stars, that means we have used transition in that particular slide. Here the transition is not used, so it is not reflecting. The moment I'll use transition, it will also show a star. You all are noticing what I'm saying? Text size, Dheeraj, in Smart Art can be changed. Here I have changed. I'm reading the question and answering now. Dheeraj, I think your question is answered. How can you increase the font size? Okay, Ravi, no problem. What are the, what exactly you have different queries? Just mention to a ticket. I'll help you to solve that same. For practice purpose also, we'll help you out. Okay. So here we have done. Now next is what? Small cap. Lavanya done. I was explaining about the push. So here, one preview, you can see how in the next slide will appear. This way. Fine. So we have used animation and transition. Effect option, there are so many other options as well. Like it's the only basic part which we have discussed till now. You can fix the effect option and with the sound also, duration for how long you want. If you want, there should be a time gap of, let's say, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds between two slides. You can fix here duration, apply to all. Then after one slide, how there will be a time lag. Automatically, if you play preview, once you finish one slide, after 30 seconds, 40 seconds, or 1 minute, your next slide will appear. So this also can be done through this. If you want to apply sound, you can do so with this transition feature as well. Advanced slide, either on mouse click or after every 30 second, 20 second, whatever you want, you can put it. Here it is mouse click is checked. So once mouse click or keyboard click is there, then only it is moving. Otherwise, it can be automated through the after timing, which you can set. Clear to everyone? So these you can advanced slide, you can prepare on your own as well based on your requirement. Just click on the timing, you will see how the time lag is effectively utilized or effectively working in your slide. Is it possible to design separate color for every slide? Yes, it is possible. If you want to change, you can change. I will do so. Wait. Here. Let's say if you want to change, you go to home. But for design, what happens? It changes the automatically design. Through design, it won't be done. You need to do it manually. Like enter any plain slide and then you can change there. Enter any blank slide. 1 second. Design, if I make it blank, layout, blank slide. Now here, if you want to make change, you can use different background, format background. If one single slide you want to have, you can make different background. You can fill it, solid fill, color. Okay. Here also, if you want after 2, 3 slide, any other different background. But usually one theme is followed for each and every slide. Other things are available. Like if you are following dark blue themes, they have their, see, the purpose behind this is any of the product is there. So any company product, they have their brand color. They use their brand color. For example, ICICI Bank. You will see if any technical report or any technical pitch or research report is there, it will be in the same color. If they are following their color theme, their brand color is blue or light green. So they are showing it in their PPT. That will remain same throughout all the research reports. They won't change the color. ICICI white and the brown color, light brown color is there. Similarly for HDFC Bank, blue color they are using. So each and every company have their brand color that based on that they use. So you also select any color if you are preparing any presentation, use throughout the PPT. It should same. That will look more professional. Ravi, what I have done, I have selected a blank slide over here, new slide. You can select blank. New. So here, new slide, what you can do, you can go and format background. Click on that. Here also you can do format background. Through right click, you can go to format background. You can choose the color. Hide background, graphics, pattern fill, pictures to text, anything you can do from here. Okay, this is what I have explained. One second. Now, what is next part? Design is done. Slide size also can be widescreen, can be standard, can be customized. Format background can also be the, you want to change. See, this is already customized. You want solid fill. You want this slide to be, all the slide to have this background. Apply to all. Color. One second. How to enter the data in the slide? See, if you want to write anything, I have selected this one. This way. I have quickly written what you want to type. Anything if you want to type, you can do here. Now what the changes, go to home. Here you can change the font size. Or usually Times New Roman is good. 18, 20. Now what? Anything which you are writing, it should be same font size throughout your slide. It's not one. In one particular slide, you have selected Times New Roman. In second, you have selected copy. Yes. See, it's very common that you are not writing on your own. You are copying the text from some other resources. May it be the Google, may it be any book or so I'm not advocating that it's wrong or right. I'm simply telling while preparing, you might not be writing all the text on your own. you might be copying. So make sure whatever you are copying, it should be based on your theme. It's not like copy or pasting. It should look like a crop text something. Better to write down on your own in your own words. If it's thick, large text which you are copying from the internal sources of the company, copy paste and make sure that this should look in relation to your slide only, same and uniform text. Make changes according to that. Wait, I'm just reading. One second, Ravi, I'm reading your question. I'll help you out. How to enter the data? See, I have selected one slide in front of you only. I have written 2 lines. I have typed 2 lines. So why you are not able to do point? Simply click here. If you are selecting a slide, let's say you select a blank slide here, click to add text. Either here you put your cursor will enable, then you write. Or even if you're copy and paste, Control C from somewhere else, Control V here. Here, let's say the same data I am copying. I'll show you. I have selected this, Control C, and here I have kept my cursor over here, and then V. Same text has been copied. Right? Now what? These all are available in this lines since it is justified. If I do it like this, it won't look good. Now here. Same way, if you want to change, make changes in bold, italics, underline, it can be done here. Okay. I hope you understood. Any other question, any other doubt? Okay. Background is how can we add more pages? There is more pages here. Simply, let's say after 11, 12, 13, you want to add more, just here. Click on this slide, anything between these two or at last also. Click anywhere between these two slides. Click on new slide, right click, new slide, right click, new slide. This way you will add. Okay, Dheeraj? Okay. Once we finish this all basic work, we'll move to our PowerPoint presentation and see what are the points which we have not covered. Then again, I'll open this blank PPT and we'll do that. Fine. So we have done this insert option, design, transition, animation we were doing. Animation also, like recorder animation is also available where you can pick. First do the basic part and then gradually you utilize these all also. Like putting the duration, what should be the delay in 2 slides, what should be delay in the text within the same slide, that can also be done. Slideshow from beginning. This is just to show how many slides you have prepared. This one, let's say from beginning, if I try to show it. I'm using the down arrow key to show. Otherwise, you can do through time lag also. Like duration was mentioned. If we follow that duration, it will be auto click once again. Let's apply that also to the transition. Duration is this. Let's put some sound also. Applause. It was first. I'm reducing it so that you can easily see. 0.25 apply to all. You have seen this. Okay. Okay, let 1 second. Let me just remove that up sound. No sound. Okay. Now we will check the another amendment which we have done in terms of duration. Does it follow that or not? Slideshow. from beginning. I think we have kept 0.25. So is it following or not? Let me check. Okay, fine. So you can make a record slideshow, whatever you have done. If you want to record, like first slide, click on first slide, and then you try to explain that, and you can record the slideshows. Rehearse timing, everything can be done from here slideshow also. Then once you share your slide to someone, it will be your with the audio which you have explained. These all options can be used. You can hide some slides, you can record the slideshow. These all options can be done from here. Okay. Fine. Till now, is there any doubt? Any question, any point which is not clear? Clear? Just raise the hand if there is no doubt. Please raise hand if there is no doubt. Okay, fine, fair hands. So we'll take 5 minute break and then we'll get back. So 5 minute break, I'll just write down here. No problem, Ravi. We'll discuss that. In case there is change in terms of version, that can also be done. You can install different version. For that, everything will be enabled, or go to that file option. That also will help you out. Okay, no issues. Whatever options are available, you just apply that. Thereafter, we'll solve your problem about the version part where you are not able to see certain options. Right? So we'll take 5 minute break and come back. Everyone came back from the break. So let me share my screen once again. All of you are there? Okay, Pooja. So Lavanya, you asked me how to add a picture. You can simply click on that, add either through insert picture. 1 second. So one question is there here. So here, if you have saved any picture in your role, you can do so. On your laptop, whatever pictures are available, if you want to save like pictures in the sense like mutual funds or a related to anything which is related to topic, if you want to insert, you can do so. So pictures already saved in the laptop can be saved. Online pictures also can be saved over here from the photo album. Screenshot, if you have saved any screenshot and you want to paste it here, that can also be done. Okay. You all know about print a screen. So if anything you have done through print a screen, that will be saved in your download folder. From there, you can add the screenshot over here. Okay. 1 second. This one, look what I have done. I have taken that, click on that screen. This one, new PowerPoint is what in this file which we are working. All of you can see my screen. Just raise the virtual hand. Because right now what I have done, you all have seen that. Okay, Pooja, Lavanya, you were asking about adding the picture and all. This you can do like from the screenshot also. You just click on the screenshot. That screenshot will be available. And this is that screenshot which I have taken and can be pasted over here. Similarly, you can do online pictures. Pictures we have seen already downloaded pictures in your download folder that can be copied. Okay, now next part is just a second. For example, I told you that how to create this. Now click to add text. Either you add text over here or if you want to paste picture, that can also be done. I'm doing one thing, just a second. I'm taking a picture from some other source and then pasting it here. Wait, I'm doing it. So here, paste. Wait a minute. Projects. This picture, you can resize. You can put here. Since the background is not matching, whether you want, you can. This can be increased in size. Times New Roman. 40 bold. Simply the line. You can change the color. Italics. Okay, you can make different changes as well. This is very basic and it's not up to the mark. How you can do is shape effect and outline. That can also be done. Here you go to shape effect. Reset. Here you can see so many changes can be done from the shape effect. That also I will tell you how to do that. Okay. These are the basic points which you are creating on your own, just a very general version. Yes, one of you have raised hand. Just let me know, Pinto, you have raised hand. Gaurav, what you want me to repeat? That screenshot one? Which part you want me to repeat? For a screenshot, you can go to insert, and here you can see the screenshot. One second, let me read your point. Yes. So screenshot here, just click on this screenshot. Screen clipping. Okay, now I had opened this also, like mutual fund, just to take that picture which I have just posted. So for that, I have taken this one. Look here, that picture which I have cropped from that screen is visible over here. This way you can insert the screenshot as well. Clear? Now what you can see one more option, format. Since it has appeared, so I'll just showing you here only. Or I can see simply copy Control X. I'll show it here. Okay, now we'll make certain changes in terms of format. Here you can see automatically, this is just like a photo frame here. You can make certain changes and make your picture according to the requirement. Okay. And these are so many, there are so many options which you can utilize. Most of us are not using it, and so many options are not used by everyone. So if you want to explore different options, you can do so. Now I'm quickly moving to the PPT which I have prepared. There will be certain points that also I'll show you. Till now, is there any doubt? Anybody? Okay. Design is done, animation, slideshow, review, view, help. Yes. In case of view, this is normal view, outline view. You can check and click. Now I'll show you one more options. One more option which is easy, like either grid lines. Now what this grid line appears, how it helps us to adjust our content. Let's say I need to make it so many pictures or text are aligned, should be aligned in one page. How I'm doing it manually through the help of grid line. I need not any scale. What I'm doing, I'm simply fixing it. And it will be with the same distance. So if I need to justify it, I have no need to measure that. These are fixed based on the number of blocks I have kept it. And then you can do it. Since I have opened this, you can use different option as well. Wait a minute, I'll show you what I exactly want to show. Okay, so these are done according to, if you want to make one box difference, this can be adjusted. Now, no need to go for any scale and all. You can do it quickly. How many adjustment you do. Okay, this is clear. This you can do through grid lines. First, enable the grid line and then do. Then slide master. Initially I told you about the slide master option here. Quickly go to slide master. It will ask you which kind of font you are looking for. Let's say I select this, go to home, change the text Arial. If you select Times New Roman Arial font size, that will be applied to the title bar. If you are adding more than one title slides, that will be applicable. This adjustment will be applicable to all title slides. Okay, so here what you have done, either we are making bold or italic. Let's do it italic or underline. Then you can see the changes. Now if I add new slide, one second, let me first, we should come from the slide master and then see the change. Look here, mutual fund is underlined now and it is in bold, what we had done in the slide master part. Let's add one more title slide in new slide, and then that too I make a title slide. Look here, in this also, it is showing like whatever changes I have. So number of slide, if I have, I'm using it equity. So whatever changes we are doing in the title slide master option, it will be applicable to all the PPT. Okay, now again going to slide master, view, slide master, and then here. Most of the slides we have made like this. So here, if I want my title to be with this Arial black, bold. I'm not making it as I want, simply showing you what exactly the font or so the command, how the command works. Okay. So it is not the final version. It is just to make effective utilization of all the commands which are available. Let's say here, Arial. You don't want black. You want 18. You want size 20. I'm erasing all that. You can make different changes. Let's say you are having heading, then subheading, everything you are having, you can make changes. Now, just to show you how it looks like, here you can write the page number as well. That we can do. Header and footer can also be added. Let's say you want one footer to be applicable for all the slide. You write here. Then date is applicable. Date also is mentioned over here. It will be shown to each and every slide. Okay, this we have done. Now go to slide master, close. Now this slide. Let's type any title that will remain for each and every slide, which will be carrying the text and heading. The changes we made, it is applicable to these kind of slides only. Okay. Let's do it first. 1 second. Cut. Again, going to slide master to check why it is applicable or not applicable. What we have done, this. Where we made changes. Okay, locating 1 second. 24 and this one 20. Okay. I think it has not been applied. There could be certain difference. I might be doing something wrong. Okay. Now let's move to other option. We'll do it later as well. 1 second. Shall we go back to the normal PPT so that you can... Okay, wait. I hope all of you can see this. So what we have covered. We have used existing design, blank design, templates also. Canva, I will show you just now. Creating your own customized slides. Whatever we were creating was our own customized slide. Now coming to what PowerPoint is. This is, you all know that what it contains. You can add different text, shapes, drawing tools, photograph, chart, sound, videos, animation by menu command available in our ribbon. We have seen most of the features which are mentioned over here. Then how we are creating the presentations from scratch or a template. We can add text, we can text image, art, videos, and we can create a professional design. This till now, whatever we have discussed was not very up to the mark. This is just a basic. We were simply understanding how each and every features or the command works. Okay. Different transitions, animation we have used. Okay. This is just an introduction part, like in place of chart-based presentations, like very scattered numbers are mentioned on a PPT page. Will you be able to understand it? No, you feel like it is a scattered data, and if it is too much text can also be avoided in the slide. We will first see if any page of slide contains a lot of text, it is rich text, how we can avoid that, how we can use infographics. You might be having so many templates available with infographics. You can use those also. It can be used customized templates, and you can create your own. What is the power of presenting by using effective? We will not go to ribbon. This one is where we have just discussed about this part, what we have done. File, home, this format painter layout we have discussed. We have discussed about convert to smart art. From here, you can use any of the options. Arrange we will do just now. This portion is important. This we will do right now. Okay, how you use quick styles, how the shape effects works, how you are going to arrange different objects together. If you are aligning, sometimes it becomes very cumbersome for you to devote a lot of time in preparing the slides. So once you are doing it quickly, once you do it for one PPT, for others, you can use the same templates as well. Simply removing the text, removing and fitting another text and using the same template which you have created. That will be your customized template, not which is available in the PowerPoint. Are you getting my point? What exactly I want to say? Okay, fine. Okay, so what exactly are the commands available in the ribbon? We have seen the tab, file, home, insert, design, transitions. Most of them we have discussed. And each and every tab has different activity. We have seen which kind of activity is done by which of the command. Whether it is animation, whether it is transition, how they are utilized effectively. Okay, what I was saying, avoid. Avoid means your slide should not be suffocating. It should not be stuffed with so much data. Otherwise, reader will lose interest. Okay, this like this. If you have created one slide, which is having this data, retail investor, institutional investor, how the funds are there, primary data about the corporate data, second sector-wise primary market issuance, finance. Now what? Although it is not looking bad presentation, but still you should avoid that. How we can present it? There are different ways to structure your slide. It could be horizontal. You can divide your page into different horizontal strips or vertical strips, or you can divide into four equal halves. No, four means quarter. Two equal halves or four quarters. This way, I'll show you the different ways. Slide structure, just like same text, you have taken two boxes and you are fitting the text. It can be designed like this is only basic part. You can make changes out of that. This way also can be divided. First half, second half. And what you have done, you have put animations so that one is appearing after other. So once you are presenting, it is not looking as a suffocated slide or too much text in the same slide. Viewers will capture only one at a time. They will read this. Next they will read second part, and they can review the first part as well after second. This can also be done. See, colors and all you can change according to your requirement. I am again and again reiterating that this is just to show you how different commands are used. It is not the final presentation. Now, see two slides, two boxes are there. What I have done here, shape effect, I have put the shape effect out of that. I'll show you how I have done that. Okay, this is the pie chart which we have created. You have shown the sales via pie chart. You can make different changes over here as we are doing it through add options, where whether it is data call out option or data label is also used. That can also be added over here. Within the same slide, you have added different. Now, data is available over here and quality data is available, but it is not suffocating. If in one slide you are seeing these all options, it will look quite clear. It will look separate. It means these are not overlapping. Text is not overlapping each other. It's not filled. Now what this, I have shown one more option over here, whether one side you have created the chart. Here you are explaining what exactly it is. It is not complete because before the class only I have added this slide, this particular slide. Let's say sales, and you want to write something over here. You want to mention, let me take a pen. Okay. Let's say you want to write about one line or two line explanation about the sales. That third quarter, this one is what? First quarter. First quarter, the sales was the highest. Anything which you want, which can be presented, this you can type over here. So any specific one or two line statement about this can be mentioned over here. Similarly for here, different category of products are available. Year on year wise, which product has done here, one line statement, and third. So means you are explaining some details about any product or any of the uh, services, you are mentioning it with the right kind of presentation and the text also. Okay, so pictorial presentations are always considered better because most of us don't want to devote time to read so much text. If it is a graphical representation, it can be understood quickly. At a glance only, you are catching the eyes of viewer and you are presenting what exactly you want to see. In less words, more data can be presented. Now, custom designs using graphics, how you are using different graphics. This, as we have seen in the smart art portion, you simply write 4 points like inception, growth, maturity, decline. Point wise, you have written this, select all, and then go to convert to smart art. It will automatically be created like life cycle part. Then pie chart, this also we have created. You can make this is very basic, simple version. You can write the data. You can use call out option also. That means this pie will be out and here it will be mentioned like this. Okay. So this way, and these can also be popped up like so many different options. You can explore that. Now, next one is, this one is just like this is donut chart, trade life cycle, inception, growth, maturity, decline. That is the business life cycle. Here, trade life cycle, trading, clearing, settlement, reconciliation. You can express like that. And then if you want, you can add certain boxes and write very straightforward 2 or 3 lines about that particular stage. What happens in which stage? Okay, quick access toolbar. What we have discussed in the Excel part, how you are going to customize the quick access toolbar. Same menus can be mentioned over above and over, above a ribbon. This I will show you how to arrange behind, how to arrange the or format the shapes. Okay, so for that, I'm just moving to another part like that PPT, new PPT, which we have opened to explain this format shape. I'll just check what others subtopics are like left. This is what we have done. Stop and add this one. Layout I'm doing blank so that it should be clear, but still it will be, since the format is like that, it will follow the blank background or change. Okay, 1 second. Fine, then I'm going to home and selecting this option. This Control C, Control V. How we are going? I'm making certain changes. 1 second. These are 3 rectangles of the same size. I need to arrange it. First, if you want to shape fill, go to shape fill. These are all are arranged. This option will be available, which is available in the format. In case of home, you will find over here shape fill. You want to change the fill. I'm quickly picking any of the color. I'm again and again saying it's not designed properly. It is just to show how the command works. Okay. Now, shape effect. How you are going to give the shape effect from here? Preset will give you this kind of look, which is prominent, just like a tab which you use in the laptop key. Like it is just looking like a keyboard. Second, shadow. If you want that to show the shadow, 3D rotation can also be done. These all you can copy from here. You can choose and apply as per your requirement. I'm just showing you the ways option where it is available. Okay. So here is 3D shapes are also available. Once you are writing text, you want to give any kind of 3D rotation shape effect, you can do from here. Then it will be like tab, glow here. You can increase and decrease. This glow option will also give you more options like transparency, how much exact you want to increase. That all option is available over here. Like size, how much you want to increase, transparency, more advanced option are available. If once you explore these and then go to this glow option, here you can do soft edges, 3D format, and most of the things you can make amendment from here. Okay, so here you understood about this part. Now shape effect. Simple shadow is like this. Here you can see the shadow of this. Let me read the questions. Prachi, wait a minute. Format option is not available. No problem. You just go to home only. In home, you will find this. Once you click on any checkbox, whatever I'm doing, it is available in the home only. Okay. In home ribbon, it is available. Just check. Now, if you have these 3 icons, so one option we have seen, through the grid lines we can align the distance is same or not. Now what if you want to align it? How you are going to do it? If I want, okay. Select shift. I have selected all, then arrange, bring to front. 1 second. I'll select 2 only so that you can see what is the other changes. First one is this. I have selected this. I want it to go back. I want this dark one to appear front. So go to arrange, send backward, it went back. Look here. Similarly, arrange, send to back. We have already done. And then bring front, they came front. So this way you can make different modification. It works, it looks more good once you are writing text, you are making certain amendment changes. Then aligning. Aligning part is wait a minute. Control C, V. Control C. Okay. I'm making triplicate so that if the colors are, you want to choose any color and you want to see the effect, you can see better. Now, if it is kept like this and I want to arrange it, I want to move all together. So it will take time to set everything and move together. This is still bring to front and bend back. That is why once I'm copying, it is not following that. Now do one thing, arrange. Go to arrange. I want to group it or I want to align it. If I want to align left, this one is aligned left. I will select all to align left. These three, along with shift key, I want to align left. Go to align center. So this all will, whichever I have selected will come in center. Similarly, you can align based on your requirement. Rotate can also be done 90-degree, left 90-degree. Look here. So these are flip vertical or horizontal can also be done here. How you can understand it is flipped or not? These all things can be done. Now coming to this part where you are grouping it. Now if I want to make changes, I want whatever, at first I have aligned it, number one. Now, if I move one, I want all to be moved together. How I can do that? You select all. Go to arrange, group. Now, if I want to move it, they are grouped. They all are moved together. Right? You understood? So once any changes are made and you want to rotate it, it will save your time. Group and ungroup. Thereafter, you ungroup it. Okay. Prachi, what you can do, you can just go to file option. In the file option, you go to options. In options, you go to this quick access toolbar or customize ribbon. Here you can check the option. In this section, customize the quick access toolbar. If this option is available, you go and add it. Or you can customize your ribbon as well. Once the session is over, just try to locate it from here and add in your font. Okay, Prachi? No, Chandan, it is not like that, but usually Arial Times New Roman that is used, or for the particular companies, for like, let's say ICICI Bank, SDFC Bank, once the research reports are published, you will see each and every research report are having uniform text, uniform font size. So they follow that same brand color, same font size, text size. In case of you, like any company where you work, you will find they will follow that. They will instruct, you will come to know once they are providing any reports that this should be the font size, that should be. Otherwise, that Times New Roman, Arial, these all are fine. Bookman Old. Bookman Old is very common, which is used. So mostly in my slide, we are using Bookman Old. Not able to see select all. No, Tanisha. Select all I have done on my own. Select all is not available over here. What I have done, I have pressed the shift key, and with mouse click only, I have selected all. Otherwise, try to do Control A. Control A will work. Through the keyboard, you use Control A. Yes, Gaurav, definitely. You create your own new design and theme for the slide. That can be customized. That can be done. From different option like fill tool is there. You can do cropped or you can create any animation. See, the timeline is less. Next, we have one more class tomorrow. Half of the time we'll discuss about the PowerPoint and half of the time we'll discuss about the questions or say whatever numericals were there if anybody is having any doubt. So kind of half doubt session, half of the session, and then prior half we will create certain slides for making more better presentation. You can create a theme on your own. Through the smart art shapes, you can create your own brand color and all, and you use that templates as well. Okay, so group ungroup is done. How we are going to use? Tanisha, you use Control A and all will be selected. Okay, so arrange is done. Bring front, bring back, bring forward. Remember that 4 squares we are using where we have used the pie chart and all. I have done it from here only. Bring to front, send to back, bring forward, backward. This is, even if 4 squares, rectangles are there, you can utilize this option for ordering the objects. Okay, fine. Then quick styles are available where you can change the box size as well. Here in quick style, whatever boxes we have selected, rectangles, this one, you can go to quick style and change accordingly. Any of them. Find so many commands are available to explore. You can change, you can make your own for your as per your requirement. Now moving to others PPT. Okay. So till now we have done this graphics. I hope the PPT is visible to everyone. Now, these are very basic. With the use of shape effect, you can make changes, whether bevel, whether uh, shadow or preset, any of the thing can be used and you can make it more attractive. It is just to show you how you can divide your PPT into 4 different rectangles. You can add that and you can make changes. Now, slide master also we have done how to use slide master. Then animation also initially. Transition also done. Convert to smart art, how you can convert the smart art. You have simply need to write the points, select all point, go to convert to smart art, and it can be done quickly. But in most of the cases, what happens once we use convert to smart art, the font size becomes so small. So for that, you can make changes manually and use that bookman mode or whatever fonts style you are using throughout the PPT. Group ungroup also we have just done. Okay, this is one example I'm showing you how you can create graphs also. In basics of economics, I have created this through this Excel only. So one straight line again, how you can create the demand and supply graph here with that line only. And this animation you can keep where the price and quantity, how they are creating equilibrium. Once the price changes, how it is going to impact the quantity demanded. Okay. So property prices, this is the graph which I have prepared in one of the case studies in case of Lehman Brothers once the subprime crisis was there. So their property prices increased and rise in property prices, then how the quantity demanded will increase, new demand, then equilibrium. So this you can create on your own through PPT. Once you copy any graph, let's say risk and return, if you copy it from Google, that will not give you the same impression as it is created by you. It will look as a copy paste only. But in most of the time, once you are in hurry, you can do so. But if you want to create, that will give a different kind of satisfaction. And these all small boxes you have created, and then you can use alignment. Shape and text effect we have just done. Bring to front to back. Arranging shapes also. This we have just done in the PPT. Okay, this is about the table, how we have created a table and how we are changing different table styles. This is about the chart. Here, once you are creating any chart, these all things can be modified. I'm writing it here only so that you should understand what I mean to say. Here is this just a chart title. What you need to do, you can change it. You can change these all in the Excel which appeared once we were creating this. These all can be customized based on your requirement, even the colors as well. Colors means you are using this blue green. That can also be done by the brush option is available. Once you click on that, there is a brush option available. In that option, you can change the colors also. Then these values, and if you want to create two charts to it, two charts means this bar as well as line also, one line can also be created. That can also be done. Whatever features we are using in Excel, that can also be applied over here. resize image. If the size is, let's say, either manually or resize option is also available. Okay, now do let me know if there is any option thing which is not clear. 1 second, let me stop sharing this and share you one more option. I hope the screen is visible to everyone. My screen is visible. This canva.com. What you all can see, you can see this Canva. Okay, Suman. Okay. Suzanne, sorry. Pooja. This I have written in your chat box. You, whosoever is beginner or not aware about this site, you can go through. Here you have so many templates available. I just wanted to show you. If you don't want to create your own and you want to utilize already available presentations, you can do so. Some of them are free, some of them will require certain cost. So designs you can choose if the free designs are available or if you want to pay and all. So all designs are not free over here. Some of them will be free of cost, which you can utilize. These are customized. Let's say company profile and all. You can use templates, you can use layouts, you can use different styles. Okay. Let's say this one. Apply all 14 pages. This is already created. Now what you table of contents are there, you need to simply change it. Right? In this, you want to add some other text, you want your data to be entered, you just amend this about company. Everything is designed properly. You can simply change it. Okay. Right? This one, milestone, mission, our team. You can add new pages, you can make certain amendments. So anybody who want to explore this, you can do so and copy this, make changes according to your requirement, customize this. Free templates or by payment also it can be done. But I don't advocate for the payment option. If you can create your own, just don't go for it. Create your own. Yes, you can take the ideas from here. Best way, if you want, just check all of them. And if you want to create, you can create your own. Take the ideas. You have so many ideas and templates. Take good ideas and then make certain amendments, make it better by adding your idea, not simply copying the same. Fine. We'll simply go to Q&A. Ravi, for that, just raise a ticket to technical team. They will help you out. They will take your, like maybe they will give you time for Google link or time for the meeting and they will update into your system by taking your system at remote. Okay, so for this concern, just raise a ticket to technical team. They will help you out by taking your system on remote and helping you. Okay. How to import these designs in our PowerPoint. So importing, Gaurav, what you can do is you can pick customized design. You can pick this design. You can say here are too many options available. If you create your own account, you will find it can be presented. If you are doing a recording also, that option is also available into this. You can present, you can create your presentation and then present. It will be automatically saved over here. Once you are doing, see, if it's long recording, you are doing it for this for 5 minutes or 10-minute recording, you have done first day. Then next day also you can record it and present it. It will be automatically saved over here and it can be shared with someone. You can share it with others as well from here. So try exploring this after the session. You will find other options as well. Okay. Fine, then let me just share one more my screen one more time. I hope this screen is visible to everyone. Okay, we have come to an end. What you can create, for example, now most of you have learned who were the beginners that how to create a PPT. So 4 to 5 page PPT, you can create hierarchy of an organization, company, its different divisions. For example, any banking sector, any bank which has different divisions, you can create that. If you want to create hierarchy of investment banking, hierarchy of any organization or the company, or you want to use connectors, straight, elbow curve, which is available over here. I'll show you. Wait. In the ribbon menu, you will find so many options like arrow, where I have created that demand and supply graph. There only you will find connectors. Connectors means how you are going to connect two objects. Let's say you have two verticals. Sometimes what we are doing in case of hierarchy, we are simply doing like this of, so let's say capital market, it has different product, or equity market, or they have different products. So you're using like this, primary market, secondary market. Okay, so this one is a straight. How you can, there are elbow as well. This is called as elbow. This connector is also available, which is joining two shapes. Curved is also available like this or that. Straight line, this one is a straight. So these are connectors. If I miss this connector, I'm explaining through this PPT, or otherwise we can go to new PowerPoint presentation and show you how the connectors are used. Okay, this is called investment teaser. Why I'm showing you this sample? It is easily available. If you want to type it like investment teaser sample, you will get so many. How this is created? It is kind of 2-page PPT. Usually it is one page, which is a blind document. It is also called one pager. It is used in investment banking. You might have heard about the pitch book. You might have heard about that confidential information memorandum. This is one of them, like investment teaser, which is created in a 1 or 2 page PowerPoint presentation. If you want, you can create like this as an assignment, or very simple presentation of 5 page. Okay, just for your practice. You can take 1 week time and create, use your skills. You can take any of the topic and create the PPT on your. Okay, this is like with only 2 page, they have explained each and every parameter, whether it is financial. Financial means 5-year financial, their sales portfolio, then what are the different product or gadgets which this company has created, and the line states the revenue from each and every product which they have created. Okay. Here with very small space, like 5 to 7 lines, or within 10 lines, if I count, it is nearly 9 to 10 lines they have utilized to explain about the company. Once it was founded, what are the strategic partner with this company? So only logos are shown, and you know that these are the strategic partners of the company. So within 2 pages only, they have presented like exact detail about the company, and what you can say that they want to sell a company. So all positive point and the strength are explained in such a manner so that if any strategic buyer is there, they should they should get the detailed information about the highlights of the company, milestones, what are the achievements, what they have done, what is the revenue, past performance, every in and out details about the company in just 2 pages. Okay, so that was all about today's discussion. I'll stop sharing this. Let me know if there is any question, any doubt. No, Suzanne, till now there is no exam, but once the exams will be scheduled, you will get the information through mail. Usually the students are communicated through mail, or I think WhatsApp, or messages are also there, but mail communication, I am aware that through mails, they are getting communication related to whatever exams are aligned or any classes and all. The way you get communication for classes, for that you get. No worries. Anybody who is having doubt related to whatever we have discussed today? Any doubt, any questions? No, fine. Okay, then thank you. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll discuss certain points related to PPT as well. And thereafter, questions and doubt session. You can take it as a doubt session. So many doubt. If you have any doubt related to previous sessions, we can discuss that also. Practice test, doubt session, everything we'll do tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. Once again, thank you. Thank you.